Welcome back, trading family. So today we're going to go into the LS model, the exact strategy that I trade live every single trading session. So we're just going to do a quick introduction. What is the LS model? What is it about? How you can trade it and how you can make money from being consistent with the strategy. So the LS model is a market structure and liquidity framework for the New York session. The core idea is price moves to seek liquidity, and your job is to find where structure and liquidity lines up. Then you simply wait for a lower time frame trigger before entering. It is not a signal service. It's not someone telling you to buy or someone telling you to sell. It's a repeatable process you can do yourself on any liquid instrument every session. Now let's look at what it is. It is a way to read trend and structure on the higher time frame. It's a way to mark the levels price is likely going to react from. It is a trigger process on the lower time frame that confirms whether to act. Now let's look at what it's not. It's not based on just an indicator. Yes, tools can help, but reading price is entirely your responsibility. I'm not here to promise you an extremely high win rate. Every single trade risks capital, and the model simply manages risk. It doesn't remove risk entirely. It's not specific to a particular pair. I personally trade the Nasdaq because it is liquid and I've been trading this for a number of years, but the model does apply to any liquid markets. So here's the takeaway for this particular lesson. Before you touch any chart, know that this course is going to teach you a process. It's not going to teach you how to predict. You are going to know how to read the charts and know exactly when to take an entry.